All right, guys, we are tackling another area in the kitchen. As you can see it, it is underneath the kitchen sink. That dreaded area where so many things are lost and so many things go to live and they never come back again. That area where you lose so many things and you buy them over again because you dread looking through all this mess. A modge podge of mix match storage bins and containers. It is just too much. We're going to get this bad boy cleaned, organized, and I'm going to show you what we're using. We're going to be using some locker bins from the Dollar Tree. I have a little bucket with some soap and water, which is Dawn dish soap and a little bit of Fabuloso, and that's what I'm going to use to clean out the inside of the cabinet because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of residue from unnecessary things underneath there. And we're going to be using this microfiber towel, and that's all we're going to be using. I got 4 of these bins and they were $1 a piece, guys. If you see any white bins and if that's what you desire to do your organization with, grab them because they go faster than any color in Dollar Tree. Grab them when you see them, even if you don't know if you're going to need them, just grab them. All right, so let's get started. Let me show you how I organize, declutter, and make this look so clean underneath my sink. Let's go, guys. Keep in mind, guys, once you start to organize your spaces, this is something new that you're implementing to get a clean, nice, fresh looking space. So you got to remember that you will have to remove, maneuver, change around, move around things and make it more convenient and more accessible for what you need on a daily basis. So you will see things get moved around and you will see things get changed around, but that's because I need to make it accessible for me. And you will be doing the same thing. Don't feel bad. It's trial and error to get it just how you want it, but that is a part of decluttering and organizing your space to meet your needs. All right, guys, it is done, and for less than $5, look what we did. We transformed underneath the kitchen sink, and I love it so much better. It's not embarrassing, and I won't lose anything because I can see everything, and it's not a mismatch of storage organization. If this has inspired you to do something or tackle an area in your home, make sure you thumbs up, share the video. If you are new to my family, thank you for joining me, but make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss the random videos that I throw up throughout the week. But guys, we will see each other in the next video. Later, Gators. If you were looking for your girl on social media, this is where I am at CPR for the Body. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.